Make that money rocket, got explosions in my pocket. I told them bitches stop it, that pussy I will clock it. You ain't making no profit, stop competing with my wallet. My bullets will be hollow, that's why these bitches swallow. And just like a swallow, they love to chirp, chirp. But I got the birds and they ain't digging for any worms. My Impala always swerves, no Big Sean, I'm on the curb. Like Meek Mill, I'm about to burn. I guess it's my turn, so watch where you turn, cause fake niggas turn they back. That's no opinion, truthfully that's a fact. Sorry, that's a rap, I'm not talking about this track. All you do is rap, I'm not talking about this track. I'm sending heart attacks, come get your cardiac arrest. Lock it down and send it back to your chest. Like Davy Jones' locker, I put your heart in a chest. You may have some heart, but I put your ass to the test. No homo, I ain't dolo, just like Drake, I'm screaming YOLO. Check my swag, it is polo. Now your bitch, she wanna go low. Knock down a podo, she bobbing like a dodo. No Santa, she a ho-ho. She sniffing oxycodone, she also sniffing snow cones. She better be a red bone, then again, she's a bop. My money counting like a clock. I just took off, so I'm gone for the night. So if I'm out of mind, I guess I'm out of sight. Tomorrow I got court for killing these rhymes, and then after that I'm out of sight, out of mind. And then after that I'm out of sight, out of mind. And then after that I'm out your speakers and your minds, motherfucker. CBE JR
Purple Haze and Code. Purple Haze and Code.